And what's up, Birdie? Birdie, here. Here. Y'all eating chips, huh? Eating the Pringles. Okay, I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm gonna share with you. There you go. I ain't gonna set you up. I ain't gonna do nothing wrong to you. I don't treat y'all good as Mike Tyson do, but you know what I'm saying? I'll feed y'all. Y'all can't stand on my shoulder, because y'all might try to take a dump. Don't fight over it. Y'all ain't gotta fight over it. Don't fight over it. Don't fight him. It's called sharing. Hey, little black one. I got one for you, too. Here. Oh, why you fly away? Share with him. Sharing is caring. Y'all both had one apiece, though, so I ain't no use to fighting. Huh? Hey! Birdie! Birdie! Yo, yo! I'm trying to feed y'all again. Y'all don't want it. I can't get jiggy with this.